Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make a baby pillow dress. For the dress I choose this polka dot print contrasting with pink fabric. Here I take two pieces of fabric. The length and the width of the fabric is 20 by 20 inches. Fold both layers into two layers. Cut uneven or extra fabric. Mark at 8 inches for the shoulder line. From that mark I'm going to make a A line towards the bottom of the fabric, leaving half an inch of fabric for the seam. Mark at 6 inch for the armhole. Mark at 1.5 inch for the hemming of the shoulder line. Here I take a pink fabric to hem the dress. The width of this fabric is 3.5 inch. Here I take another piece of pink fabric that I'm going to use to make a patti for the neck hole. For the sewing, first I'm going to do the side seam of the dress. Hem the armhole. Hem the shoulder line of both front and back panel. Hem the bottom of the dress using this pink strip of fabric. Here I'm using another thin piece of fabric strip for the designing. Now I'm going to sew a fabric patti for the neck hole. One side of this patti I close it and the other side I keep it open to turn the right side out. After turning the right side out, close this side as well. Now I'm going to insert this fabric putty to both front and back. Shoulder line. Do a knot at one side. So this is the final result of the dress. If you like my video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more creative video. Thanks for watching.